Hello guys, hope you all are fine. Enjoyed your Diwali vacation. So today we all will be discussing few corrections which are there in our notes and we'll discuss chemistry corrections. So there are 4 chapters in chemistry, that is periodic classification, chemical reaction, then metallurgy and carbon compounds. So we will discuss correction in all these 4 chapters one by one. So before that, be ready with your notes and a pencil so that you can do the corrections. Let's start. Okay. So very first, we are starting with periodic classification of elements. Okay. So the very first correction over here on page number 22, the title of the chapter is periodic classification of elements. It is misprinted. Please do this correction. Moving ahead. Second correction on page number 24, question number 9, fourth point. In this fourth point, the properties includes molecular formula of hydrides and oxides of the elements, melting point, boiling point, and densities of the element and their hydrides and oxides. So, and their hydrides and oxides, it's coming twice. So, last ka underline part you have to remove. Next correction, page number 25, question number 14. Oxide of chlorine, according to Mendeleev's periodic table, it is misprinted. It should be Cl2O7. Next correction, page number 28, question number 24. In the answer part, replace the second point by the whole number atomic mass of elements. Cobalt and nickel is same. Therefore, there was an ambiguity regarding the sequence in Mendeleev's periodic table. Moving ahead. Next correction on page number 30, question number 3. Again, answer part, first point. The elements nitrogen, carbon, oxygen, and boron belongs to second period. Add the further point, that is, and aluminium belongs to third period. Hence, aluminium is less electronegative. So the underlined part you have to add. Next question, page 30, question number 6. Elements lithium and sodium have the further point. Okay, now instead of sodium, there should be beryllium. So please do the correction. Instead of sodium, there should be beryllium. Next, page number 33. Okay, this question is given. This table is given: potassium, sodium, rubidium, beryllium, lithium, and considering this table, you have to do the answer. Over here, instead of beryllium, there should be cesium and its atomic radius is 262. I'll repeat, instead of beryllium, it should be cesium. Its atomic radius should be 262. Moving ahead. Next, page number 35, question number 43 and question number 44. In both this question, along with non-metallic character, you have to write electronegativity. I'll repeat, along with non-metallic character, you have to write electronegativity. Next, page number 38, question number 6. In the answer part, non-metals, halogens will come. F point mein non-metals, halogens will come. Then page number 42, question number 8, third question. Match the column you can see. Now, group 17, in the column B, you can see valency 7 is written. Instead of valency 7, it should be group 17. Rest everything remains same. So we are done with first chapter, that is periodic classification. Next, we are starting with chemical reactions and equations. Now, the first correction over here, the physical state of compounds are not given on page number 45, question number 5. So please mention the physical state. Copper sulfate is aqueous, zinc solid, zinc sulfate aqueous, and copper solid. So please mention this physical states in the equation. Second correction, page 45, question number 7. Physical states of compounds are not given. Again, so SO2 is gaseous in nature, H2S again gaseous, sulfur solid, and H2O in liquid. So please mention the physical states over here also. Next, page number 54, question number 47, distinguish between. Over here, replace example of exothermic reaction from salt dissolved in water to calcium oxide dissolved in water as per our textbook. Next, page number 56, question number 3, B part. Again, physical states of compounds are not given. So copper sulfate aqueous, zinc solid, zinc sulfate aqueous, copper solid. Please do these corrections. Moving ahead. Next, on page number 58, question number 10, second point. Formula of aluminium chloride is wrong. Instead of ACl3, it should be AlCl3. And this correction you have to do in both the parts, that is question and answer. Next, page number 59, question number 3, fifth point or fifth question. Correlation part. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. This is a combination reaction. In the next part, 2HGO is not printed. Directly 2Hg plus O2 is given. So it should be 2HGO gives 2Hg plus O2. So 2HGO is missing. Please add that particular thing. Next, page number 59, question number 4, third question. Factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction, any two. There should be any two factors you have to write. Next, we are starting with metallurgy chapter. So in metallurgy, very first correction is page 132, question number 6. In second equation, it is not balanced. It should be 3 copper nitrate, that is 3 Cu bracket NO3 bracket close twice. So that 3 is not printed. Please add that. Next, page 140, question number 2. Answer part, replace second point, that is aluminium reacts rapidly with steam to form aluminium oxide and hydrogen gas is released. So second point you have to replace by this particular statement. And the reaction is 2Al plus 3H2O gives Al2O3 plus H2. Next, last chapter, that is carbon compounds. So very first correction, page 147, question number 51. Okay, spelling mistake in the answer, electrons. It should be ELECTRONS. Spelling mistake is there in electrons. Second, remove the, that is hydrogen has valency 1. Okay, so the is printed over there. Please remove that, and spelling mistake is there in electrons. So again, electrons will come. Then page 148, question number 16, answer first point, change from vehicle to weak. Again, printing mistake, it should be weak, not weaker. Then page 151, question number 20, answer part, top left corner you can see on the page. Double bond of ethene structure is not seen clearly. So in ethene, between two carbon, there should be a double bond. Then page 153, question number 25, propane structure 2 and structure 4 are not required as they are same as structure 1 and 3. So for us, we have to consider only 1 and 3, cancel structure second and fourth. Page 154, question number 25, D point, third structure of propyne is not there in our syllabus. Okay, so please delete that structure. Next, page 154, F part, typing error is there, remove isobutylene. Okay, remove isobutylene. Then page 157, question 32, C part, homologous series of alkenes, propene number of CH2 unit, column 5 is 1. So in that table, number of CH2 in case of propane should be 1. Then page 159, ketone table. IUPAC name change to pentane 2,1. Then page 161, question number 42, answer correction. It should be prefix, then parent, and then suffix. So here also there is a printing mistake. Please do the correction. Then page 161, question number 43, B point, answer incorrect, change to propane to all. Moving ahead, page 162, question 44, first point, incorrect name. Again change to methanol, methnal. Next, page 163, question 50, oxygen above the arrow should be in square bracket, that is nascent oxygen. So it should be capital O written in square brackets. Then page 166, question number 60, definition according to textbook is a substance that alters the rate of reaction without taking part is called as catalyst. So please consider this definition of catalyst. And page 166, question number 61, equation is incorrect, change to ester plus sodium hydroxide gives sodium carboxylate plus alcohol. Next, page 167, question number 68. Again, answer B point, error in the formula of polyethylene. Remove the last H, and if you want, you can refer textbook page number 132 for the correct diagram. Next, page 167, question number 70, incorrect answer, change it to the answer as you can see in the diagram. So for answer A, diagram is given. For answer B, also diagram is given. Next, page 168, question number 71, structure. Again, it is wrong in the notes. So please change it to the structure as you can see on the screen. Next, page number 170, question number 6, table. Scratch the values 7 and less than 7. This particular values is printed in both the table, both the rows. So please cancel that. Next, page 172, objectives, question 1 ka 2 question. Second question, option B and D simply the same meaning. As they have same meaning, so change option B, that is possess electrovalent bond. So change this particular option over here. Then page 172, question 1, fifth sub question, answer is D. So correct answer is D. Please change this. Then page 172 and 173, question 2 ka second sub question, incorrect formula. So potassium permanganate is KMNO4. Please do the correction both in question as well as answer. Then page 173, question number 2, sub question 8, answer is right. It is printed wrong. Answer is right. And page 173, question 3, sub question 1, answer is sodium chloride. Again, it is misprinted. And page 173, question 2, sub question second, cancel 1 ethane, it is written twice. So again, there is a misprint. It is written twice. Please do the correction. Then page 173, question 3, sub question 3, answer isobutane, reason rest all are cyclic hydrocarbon. So again, there is a small change. Please do this. Then page 174, question number 6, match the column. Okay. Penicillin and camphor are not there in our syllabus. So please remove this from table 1. And page 174, question 6, match the following. Again, second table, change option A in column B to C6H5, then single covalent bond, CH, double covalent bond, CH2. Then page 174, question 5, answer 11. Page 164, question 53, answer spelling mistake of ethoxide. So please do the correction. It should be ETHOXIDE. In both the place, it is spelling mistake. Then page 175, question 1, B sub question. Again, ethane is printed twice, so please remove. It should be only one. Then page 175, question 3, C6H14 and H2O. So this number should be written below, that is in subscript. That's it. Thank you so much, all of you. Please do the correction, study well. All the best.